Yes, sir. It's your boy Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alert whenever you get in and out of plays. Inbox DM join at the BHayes Show _ on Instagram, and I'll add you in there, guys. So you already know. Feel free to hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call as well, full of value, full of gems, change your perspective on the market. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, see what's going on with the overall stock market, see what's going on with AMC in particular as well. As we know, something interesting is coming up. The conversion, it will be happening on August 24th. So I'm pretty sure the price action is going to be very, all over the place. Lots of swings, lots of volatility, lots of money to be made if you're on the right side of the stick. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, and see exactly what's going on. So as we know, guys, NVIDIA is the last trillion-dollar company to report earnings out of the mix or whatnot. They'll report earnings on Wednesday after the closing bell. So it's going to not 100% dictate which direction the market go in, but it's definitely going to be that driving factor. They help sway the market in either direction. NVIDIA continues to surge, run up, the market could come pushing behind it. NVIDIA fall off a cliff, drop over 15, 20, 30%, the market is going to pull back as well. As we know, we was already in decline for the market. Me, myself, was already expecting months ago for the market to soar, run up, because it was already at its lowest levels, which it didn't have any more room to continue to fall down lower. So it had to give itself leverage, run up a bit. So then when they come out with bad news, hectic news, the dollar losing more value and all this other different stuff that's going on, and it dropped, then it have room to drop even further. So you definitely want to be on the lookout for that, guys, as well. Like we know, it's a gap for Bitcoin as well. You heard it here. Bitcoin could possibly come down to $10,000 per coin. We don't know when. We don't know exactly the date or none of that, but it can happen. I called from 50,000 to 10,000, and the lowest it been was 15K, leaving that gap fill. So anyways, be prepared for stuff like that. Let's go ahead and take a further look at what's going on, guys. So as we know, AMC shares have fallen more than 22% ahead of the stock conversion, guys. The day just fell off a cliff. And guess what? I was down there buying something. I haven't bought back into AMC in a minute besides options, but I actually bought shares. I told you guys it come down to $2, $1.50, anywhere near the. I'm trying to get me some because it's I believe it ain't gonna, the risk reward ratio. Nobody knows exactly what no asset or security is going to do. I'm not here to hype anything up or nothing like that, but I'm all about odds. Just like with Carvana trading at $2-3 per share. I see the odds, the odds for it to go up to 30 to 20 was very much favorable, and I could risk that. And the downside was only the $2. Which whatever I put in, I would have lost. But I doubt it was going to continue to go down to just cents and cents and cents. The odds was strongly in your favor the lower and lower it is, and the more structure and valuable, if that company still holds value in the marketplace. I actually did business, bought a car from Carvana, actually seeing the bigger picture, that they could definitely have a space, have a part in the space of the economy going into the future. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a further look at what's going on with this. So the shares failed on trading volume of 93 million for AMC, guys, well above the 60-day average of 29 million shares. Some 26.7% of AMC's float is shorted, guys. So a whole lot of more shorts than piled in. The stock is also on a track to snap a 4-day winning streak, and on this pace for its largest daily percentage decline since August 14th. So that's crazy, guys. It definitely dropped hard, and I know it's a lot of people out there that was definitely starting to nibble in and start to buy. Even the ones that didn't have it on their radar no more, they just see the opportunity with more upside potential than further downside potential, especially if it continues to come down to the $150, $2 area, which I hope it can start to bounce back from here. But regardless, this is going to be buy zone, buy territory, guys, for short-term investors, day traders, you call it. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at it, see exactly what's still going on. As we know, the uncertainty surrounding the whole conversion of 8 units has ended now. After the news of the plan's approval was a release, AMC shares had plummeted 35% on that news. So now that the news already happened, it's already priced in, everybody know what's what now. Now it gives the time for the stock to actually consolidate and then do its next move, which is going to be its move in the direction, whatever move it make after the consolidation of this and soaking up everything that happened, that move could be the true direction of where the stock may be headed in its next destination. So let's go ahead and take a further look, see what's going on. As we know, with our individual stocks for VIP, we was in Tilray. We had got in, got out. It only lost like a penny on the share price, 2 cents. You know, that's a drop in the bucket. That's the main thing I got to show you guys and teach you guys. Keep losses small. Keep losses small. And it ain't like sometimes we're going to cut losses like that and the stock going to take off and you're going to miss it. You're going to have to probably buy in for a higher price if you want to chase a little bit and still make money on the, you know, the plans of what we expected the stock to do. But I wouldn't even worry about chasing it. I'm about creating the right mindset, having the right, mindset with this thing, treating it like a business. So as soon as it started to drop on us Tilray this morning, we immediately got out. Boom, I alerted them out. And next thing you know, guess what happened? It went from 268, about 270, down to 248. So if we would have held that whole thing, you'd have lost 100% the whole entire contract. It would have been wiped out, gone. But the way we did it, it was very smart, very educated decision. Got out, let it pull back the way it did, and now we can start to rebuy in our zones that I had alerted in VIP. Told you guys the areas that I'll be looking for. So as we know, that's that, and you already know what to do, guys. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. Get in VIP, and we